Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we will be working on the new Ford Maverick and getting our Stage 2 catch can kit installed. Make sure you have the following tools for the install. Prepare Boomba Racing catch can kit. Remove the clips on the air snorkel. Remove stock vent line. Label and cut OEM vent line to create two straight hoses. Insert hose adapters and hose clamps on the OEM vent lines. Install vent lines with adapters to intake manifold port and engine block. Longer hose to the engine block and shorter to the intake manifold. Install bracket on Boomba Racing catch can. Insert hose clamps on hoses. Secure longer hose to the in port and shorter hose to the out port. Install the catch can with pre-installed hoses and factory bolts. Use provided zip ties to organize vent hoses. Reinstall the air snorkel. And you're done! Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.